Happy New Year, everyone, from System Improvements and the TapRooT folks. We're here today to first of all say goodbye 2020 and hello 2021. One of the things we want to make sure that you all are ready for in 2021 is your TapRooT program, and to make sure that your improvement program is on the right track. And there's several ways we can help you with that, and I want to just briefly go over them with you today as we wish you a happy new year. One, if you haven't signed up to get a roadmap or an executive briefing with one of our implementation staff, please do that. You can contact us at info@taproot.com, and we're happy to help you. It takes about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. It's free. We go over everything with you, help you talk about your goals and how you can reach them. So contact us. Go to our website also at taproot.com, and you can see where we're going to have webinars coming up. Something really great for while everybody's at home working remotely. Those webinars can help you supplement your TapRooT program, and while they don't teach you TapRooT, they definitely teach you some other types of techniques and things that you need in your program to better and keep things improving, such as evidence collection, quite important, causal factor worksheets, grading your investigations, working with your software, all kinds of webinars coming up. There are some paid and some free, and you'll find that out on our website. If you haven't signed up for our newsletter where you find out everything that goes on at TapRooT, go to our website, taproot.com, and sign up for that newsletter so you start receiving that, and you'll find out everything that's going on with our company and all the upcoming courses and any changes that you may need to know about. Most importantly, our TapRooT Summit is on schedule, June 14th through 18th, and we hope you put that on your calendar. Registration is going on now. Again, go to our website, taproot.com, and go to the summit page, and you can register today. We are so looking forward to seeing our TapRooT friends in 2021. So we want to wish you a happy new year, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are made aware of when we roll out more information. We're going to be doing all kinds of new things for you in 2021, so we want you to definitely be getting the notifications about that. Happy New Year, everybody. Let's make it a great 2021.